Hello, let's make a sword in Maya. Let's first set up our project and make sure um, that your project window is the same as mine, so there's no confusion and your settings are correct. All right, so first step, go to your workspace, make sure this is set to general. Then click on if the option to reset current workspace is selectable, go ahead and click on that. At that point, your screen should look like mine. Make sure this poly modeling shelf tab is open. Also make sure that this is set to modeling. Next, let's change the grid to match mine. If you go to display and click on this option box next to grid, here are my grid settings: 100, 1, 1, and I changed this to red, but you could use a different color if you want. Then hit apply. Next, let's create a project folder. File, project window, where it says new, click on that. Let's name this sword. And then I'm going to leave it in my default project folder, but if you want to change the location, you can click on this folder here and you can choose anywhere on your computer, your desktop, or wherever you'd like to save this. And once you've chosen that, you can hit select. Once you hit select, the directory will show up here, and then we can hit accept. Let's navigate to that folder, and when you open it, it looks like this. You can see I'm in the sword project folder, and here are all of these. We won't use all of these. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of them. I'm going to delete assets and autosave. I'll delete cache, and then let's also get rid of clips, movies. Actually, we'll keep movies. We'll get rid of clips, render data, scene assembly, scripts, sound, and time editor. And then I'll get rid of those. And we'll use these folders during the workflow. Keep this this workspace .mel script. Next, go ahead and create a cube. It'll show up in the center. It's very small. I'm going to press F, which will focus the screen in on it, right? So this is a 1 centimeter cube. In Polycube 1, let's give it a subdivisions in height to 2. We'll change that like so, and then press enter. You can also go to the attribute editor, Polycube 1, change subdivisions depth to 2. All right, from here, let's save our work. File, save scene as. It should be looking in your sword folder, right? In the scenes folder of your sword folder, which is what you want. And we'll name this sword underscore V for version 01, and then hit save as. And once you're at this spot, then you should be all set up to follow along from here. Thanks.